Hi all, I am Dr. Sujiya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Application at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Here in series 4 video, I am going to discuss is about the API management. In the previous 3 slides, we have gone with the introduction, the documentation, and some more series. And in series 4, we are going to discuss is about the API management. API management is basically API is a application programming interface, which is a building blocks of modern technology and in business infrastructure. As it is the most basic level, an API is a piece of software that allows two applications to talk to each other. API connects applications to server, applications servers to consumers, as apps, softwares, and other clouds has proliferated to dominate modern technology and business landscapes. The design, development, testing, deployment, governance, security, monitoring, and monetizations of API has become an important part of the software development lifecycle and a large and growing sector of the technology ecosystem. API management is the process of developing, designing, monitoring, testing, securing, and analyzing the API for an organization. An API management platform provides a robust set of softwares and processes with functionality hosted on premises in the cloud or an hybrid environment. An API management enables organizations to make both their public and private API consumable and scalable. And few full life cycles of API management platforms offers these benefits by incurring functionality for developers to develop easily and to discover use of API, and which is by enabling organization to control access, analyze usage, and enforce security and governance policies of an API. And in effect of API management, platforms are used to govern an enterprise and ecosystem, managing the API lifecycle from the beginning to the end. So this is how an API management is done. Basically, API management consists of process of developing, uh, designing, monitoring, testing, securing, and analyzing of an organization. So when you take off an organization, these are the basic process that undergoes for an API management. And this is a platform which provides a robust set of software, a process with their functionality, and this API enables organization to make both public and private API consumable and scalable. And it has, if we talk about API management, a organization has to control access, analyze usage, and enforce security and by governing policies. And what is an API management tool? A full feature API management platform typically includes the following tools. One is the developer portal, next one is design and development, next is testing, next is an API gateway, and next is analytics and monitoring, next is policy management, next is the security and governance. So the developer portal is a site where the developers can find the information and credential required to use API in their client app. The developer portal can provide interactive documentation, developer-facing analytics, monetization information, app approval status, and other tools and services for developers. So the features of API management platform typically includes the following tools: the developer portal, the design and development, the testing, the API gateway, analytics and monitoring, policy management, security and governance. Development portal is the site where developers can find the information and credentials required to use API in their client app. The developer portal can provide interactive documentation, developer-facing analytics, monetization information, app approval status, and other tools and services for developers. Design and development is a developer experience and a set of tools for designing and building API products and for enabling API to be used by existing system. Testing allows for a wide range of testings from the mock test to function testing, performance and security testing of API. API Gateway performs mediations and enforcements of API calls at runtime. Analytics and monitoring is an operational metrics such as usage over time allows developers to increase speeds of API deployment and reliability. Monetizations and business metrics such as revenue driven through a particular API lets organization measure the business health of the API ecosystem. Security and governance are the standard for authorization and authentications for preventing and connectivity identity to client and develop credential. The benefits of API are multi-layered security and privacy, is and easy deductions of API anomalies, global reach, performance and reliability, unlock legacy applications, and create new business channels. So these are the basic and the essential benefits of API management. An API monitoring tools are used to gather and analyze data about the performance of an API, and the monitoring tool allows for full evaluations of the performance and usage metrics of a single API. Traffic analysis, API tracing and observability, performance analysis, availability and performance monitoring, developer engagement, security, health are the basic things for managing an API. Thank you.